Hello everyone.
What is that?
Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to go make phone cases with Lisa, so I'm super excited. We're celebrating my birthday a week early. I'm gonna take you guys along with us. The place is called Hello Pottery in Irvine, and they have a lot of different DIY things that you can make. We're gonna do the phone cases. I will see you guys when we get to the place. Hello Pottery. Would you like to say hello? Okay. So cute. I'm gonna choose Sanrio charms. I see Karami. Who's this?
Oh, that's just.
Oh, it's a pig.
That's for you.
Oh, that's cute. I love this. We got this little basket and we can choose up to 15 charms for our phone case. There's so many options. There's a lot of pigs here actually. There's an M&M guy. You're choosing fast, bro. There's letters. Should I spell something out? Wait. What is this supposed to be?
I think that's Korean.
Oh. Okay. I like these little flowers. This is hard. What theme are you going for? Food? Is this... I'm confliction.
Oh, look how cute these are.
Oh, that is cute. Do you like this? I don't know.
That's cute.
I wish they had more Sanrio charms. I just see like Karami. I think I'm gonna choose some of these white flowers.
Do Asian people really like M&Ms that much?
I think so. Oh, there's more pom-pom. Look, he's a mermaid. This is Lisa's charms. These are my charms.
I don't want it to look that cluttered, but like.
That's nice, and you can add some can you add fillers, or is this just for glitter?
I think I'm just gonna do this.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna add a resin.
Oh, this is hard, dude.
Should I get bunnies or should I get hearts?
I think the bunnies are kind of cute. You know what? I'm just gonna wing it. I've never piped it before, though.
Okay, I think I'm gonna do the bunny.
I don't know how to pipe this stuff.
It's like piping a cake.
My dry hands are gonna be exposed to my camera. One color is fine, right? Like, cause I just want white, you think? Do I do a border or do I cover the whole thing?
Well, do you want it clear?
And I don't even get a, like, a test try? Okay, whatever. It is what it is.
I wish they had like glitter.
Yeah. I can pipe it however I want though, right?
Yeah.
Oh man, dude. This looks rough. I'm gripping this so hard. Is it hard to mess this up?
It looks good.
Time to stick our pom-pom.
There's some white.
Thank you.
Is it okay if I get another stick? Thank you. I'm trying really hard to make it look good.
Me.
That's cute. Yeah. I'm done.
I know, you finished so fast.
See, I got the placement done, and then now I have all of it.
Nice.
I put all of it. The
So
leftover.
if you guys come here and there's no bunny glitter, you know where it went. I'm still working on mine.
Are these for me too? Or can I use these too? Or
I don't know. Because I don't know if it'll stick. Maybe. Oh my god, I moved it to this side so that they can see me place the thing and then I blocked my hand again. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Just kidding. That was a compliment.
see, I was gonna go with the piping one, but then I was like, I don't know what I would do with the piping one. So that's what I got. Just the resin.
Mine's like very simple.
Just fill in the empty spots with the glitter and it'll look good.
I wish I could use that glitter on my stuff.
You don't like it?
I don't think it would stick or anything. I don't know, man. What do you think?
I think it's cute. What are we gonna do with the other chunks?
I don't think it fits my vibe. I'm sorry.
I know you want to touch me. Like, just say it.
Be quiet. You don't like being touched.
As long as you let me know ahead of time, I'll think about it.
I'll never forget the one time you hugged me.
You're so annoying.
I was like, what?
Okay, now that looks a lot better, right? Just like clumped.
These two are.
That's okay. As long as it's not like on top of each other. Like this one. I just wanted it to look like how I want it, you know?
This is my phone case.
Like if I'm gonna pay money.
This is Lisa's.
Don't be mad if people like mine better.
Okay, whatever. Yes. I thought it would be like chili cheese fries.
Kind of.
We must be really hungry. We're not talking to each other.
Have you ever tried Curry House before it closed down?
I mean, the popular one and like the #1 curry place in Japan. That one that was here.
Yeah, it used to be here, but it closed down.
No, my sister said it was bad. I remember you said you wanted to try it.
No, I've tried it before. I like CoCo Ichibanya.
When we started talking to each other, you were talking about it.
That was Machi.
Oh, my sister said that place is bad.
I didn't try it, but
I never tried curry house.
I think there was one in Anaheim. It was really good, but they closed down.
Oh.
Yeah, but they like if you go to like Mitsuya or like Tokyo Central, they sell like the curry to go already. That you just have to heat up at home. But I don't know why the rest.
It's golden hour. Let me show you guys the pollution. Oh, it turned off. Oh. Transition. Should we take selfies though? Okay, interview. What did you think about CoCo Ichibanya?
I think the quality definitely went down.
Yeah, it was filling though.
Okay,
I am
it said-
stuffed.
Or it's loading. So CoCo Ichibanya was alright.
But we're gonna go to the Spectrum and buy blind boxes.
Coming.
Wait, I have to show them what you got me. Lisa got me pom-pom Perrin. But this isn't a blind box,
It's,
right?
yeah, it's not.
So cute! Why does he look like different color? Doesn't this look lighter? This is more orange.
Oh, the cup?
Yeah.
I don't know.
And it has a bar of soap, I think.
That's gum.
Oh.
It was in the candy aisle.
What do you think about Hello Pottery? Would you recommend it to people?
Yeah, I would. I think it's such a good experience, and it's actually not that expensive, in my opinion, at least.
Let's see what blind boxes I'll end up buying. Oh, wait, what was I gonna say? Oh, we got blind box. I mean, I got blind boxes again. So, what? Did you want to open mine or something? No. We're currently waiting for my phone to get rejuvenated. So, this is the Disney one. Oh, actually, I didn't show this one, but I have the Tigger one that I opened.
Okay.
Hoping to not get Tigger, but if I do, then Lisa gets a free blind box.
Woohoo!
I don't want to look at the card. I don't want to look at the card.
Okay.
Oh god, I think I saw the card.
Why do you look at it?
It's a Piglet. Because I saw something pink. Damn it.
It's Piglet.
I
Yay!
don't know how I feel about that one.
You're in the box.
Don't look at
Okay,
it.
I won't.
It's
I
a
won't.
surprise for both of us.
Okay, okay.
It's Eeyore.
It's Eeyore! Yes.
I actually want
That one's really cute. So we're gonna do a Piglet.
I don't know.
You wanna open the rest of it?
I want to open in the comfort of the car. The other ones are Sanrio ones, so we're going to open that later. Thanks for watching. We're going to open my other blind boxes. So which one should we open first? These ones or this one?
Let's do this one.
Okay, this one is the other strawberry one from last time. Okay. We're hoping for Pom Pom. Do you guys see it? This This one right here. What if it's not Pom Pom, then what?
I don't know.
Dude, if it's My Melody again.
Well, you have to show the camera that you're opening it.
Why are you looking inside? You saw it, didn't you?
No, I didn't. As a flower.
No.
Oh, I think it's My Melody.
No, don't tell me that. God damn it. She's following me everywhere.
Was that the same one that you got?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Let's get the next two.
You can open one of those. We'll open it
Together?
Yeah. So these are magnets. Okay, yeah.
Close your eyes.
Oh, it's wrapped. I hope it's not the same one. I got Pom Pom!
I don't think you like this one.
Who is it? Oh my god.
She's following you. I don't know. What do you want me to do?
I want to put Choco. I don't think that's gonna work.
I thought it would.
Oh, I don't even know what to say to end this.
Bye.
Okay. It's obviously a new day. I'm the rough queen. That was cringe. Here's our phone cases. Lisa has the 15.
15 plus. In blue. 3 stores asked if they had the blue one, but all 3 of them did not have it and only had black and pink. And I did not want pink. I wanted the blue.
Also, revoke what I said about their charms because I think me and Lisa just went on a bad day. Because I'm gonna put a clip of the other phone cases that people were waiting to pick up, and they had so many cute charms. So I think we just got the leftovers.
It's like blue resin all over it.
Oh my god. That one's adorable. Oh.
Same thing with the glitter. Oh, this car's
Oh, sorry. Okay, bye guys.